Okay, so today we are going to do a melted snowman. The theme of the art show this year is a Texas Christmas. So I thought we could do kind of a funny take on what Christmas is like in Texas because it's still pretty warm normally. So we're going to start at the middle of the page and we're just going to do a little more than a half a circle. It's not a full circle, but it's kind of like just the bottom of the circle is left off. And that's going to be our snowman head. And then we're going to kind of come across like this with a little curved line, almost like a collar. And then, well, you know what? We'll do that part later. That's the part of the scarf. We're not going to finish the scarf yet. Then we're going to come halfway up the head. And we're going to kind of do like a puddle, like a wiggly, wavy line. It can be a different shape than mine, but the point is that it goes basically in a circle and goes around your snowman to make it look like it's melted, okay? And then we're going to do a little hat on this guy. And I'm going to do, you know what, instead of doing, I did like a top hat there. I don't want to do a top hat. I'm going to do a cowboy hat because this is Texas, right? So I'm going to do kind of like a smile. And then up here, it's going to go like that. And then this is going to come around and tuck behind that line. I know that's kind of confusing, but it's basically like the letter M. And then a little curve around it, okay? And then we're going to erase the top of the little snowman head because we're not going to see his head since the hat is on top of it. Okay, so there's that. And now we're going to do the two eyes, a little curve, and then a triangle coming out from it for the nose, some little whole circles to make up the mouth. I might do like a little twig lying on the floor. For arms, and then little mittens also lying on the floor. It's just basically, shh, you guys, Saida, go to your seat. It's basically just a little double line and then a curve and then the thumb goes on separately, okay? Once we're done, oh, let's do our little scarf to make it look like it's kind of laying flat. It's gonna kind of wiggle like that. And then this one's gonna come back and maybe go past my melted snow. Like that. Okay, so I've got my melted snowman. Now I'm gonna draw my horizon line behind him. The horizon line is the line where the soil or the dirt starts below it and the sky starts above it, okay? So there's that. Now I'm gonna add in desert things. This is kind of up to you what kind of cactuses you want. These are saguaro cactuses. You can add in as many of these as you want. Some far away, some are pretty close, which means they're going to be bigger. The further away they are, the smaller they're going to be. The closer they are to you, the bigger they're going to be. And make sure you erase that horizon line anywhere where you have a cactus because we're not going to see it because the cactus is in front of that dirt or that soil. And I'll do another one on this side. Put the books away. Both of you go to your seat. Yes. All right. Then we could also do prickly pear kind of cactus. which are just little loops on top of each other, and the little flower.